Hi guys, today I'm making clothespin snowflakes for my Christmas tablescape. First I'm just using the glue gun to glue the pegs together. And then I'm gluing 4 of these peg pieces together to form a cross. I'm just picking these little glue strings off, but they can also be just blown away with the hairdryer afterwards. And then I'm using the glue gun again to glue 2 of the pegs with the flat pieces together and the rounded edges facing inwards. And then I'm just going to glue the open ends of the clothespins in between each quarter of the cross shape. And now that the glue is dry, I'm painting the snowflakes with white chalk paint because my tablescape this year is going to be more or less white and gold. These clothespin snowflakes, or stars if you like, are so easy to make, and you can hang them on your Christmas tree as ornaments or personalize them and use them as gift tags. Like I said, I'm using mine as place settings this year on my Christmas table. I'm just adding a small blob of glue to the middle of the snowflake, and I'm popping a simple decoration on top. I used wood glue to glue the wooden snowflake to the center of these, but you could also just use the glue gun for this as well. And here's how I use my DIY clothespin snowflakes as part of my Christmas table decorations this year. I also made the pedestal table this year as well for the table, and I'll leave a link to that down in the description as well if you'd like to see that tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this clothespin craft, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. That always helps me and I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.